The passage is dealing with ethics and all phases of environmental arena concerned with pollution, and so we can predict an answer which denote the whole criterion from A to Z. The idiom run the gamut means covering a wide range from origin to end, which exactly fits our prediction, so we can consider choice A as a correct answer. Run the gauntlet means withstood an attack from all sides which cannot merge with our prediction and so unfit as correct answer, and so we can eliminate choice B. The idiom hold the line has many meanings, but usually it means impose a limit, and nothing is discussed here about any boundary or limit, so choice C is also eliminated. Choice D and E both mean grasping or keeping any area which can have little relevancy to fit for the blank, but choice A is more specific as correct answer than choice D and E, so we can eliminate them as well. So the correct answer is choice A.